In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how we handle fleet information inside of the NueGOV platform. Simply log in and you can see right here we have fleet assets. Under fleet assets is everything associated with the vehicle. What's the agency's car number, radio, light bars, all of that kind of stuff. Just for quick identification, we'll create one. And you can see once we're here, we get to select the make of a vehicle. We'll go with a Dodge Charger, because that's of course kind of the standard platform for patrol vehicles. I would have my 17 character VIN number there. I'm going to choose to make this a marked vehicle which is owned by the state. It is going to be a silver and black car. If I have information related to the IT equipment inside that vehicle, I would put it here for the IP address. Starting mileage is the mileage that this vehicle came with. And then old mileage, if we're getting ready to retire a vehicle, we would enter that there. Under car license number and car number, I can choose a existing car number. This is a separate field created, as you can see over here. These are already created here. If this was not already created, I could hit create and make one. But for now, we'll pick this one. And the same process applies under license number. For life cycle and status, when did we put this vehicle into business? Well, we're going to say we did it today. We'll make it easy. How long is this vehicle going to last? We will assume a 5-year lifespan, which will make this out of service 5 years down the road, of course. It is in service right now. Under issued and received by, we can actually choose who's going to receive this vehicle. So probably this will be a fleet manager. Received by maybe a administrator at the location where the vehicle is going. And under organization or user, I can assign a person to this car as we create it. So once I hit assign, it will open up a field and I can search for a name. Once that person pops up, I can select them and add them to it. This vehicle is now assigned to them. You can see there's other fields that we can look at here. So purchase and purchase price. We will say that we purchased this vehicle a month earlier. And we got one heck of a deal on it because we only paid about $25,000. And in here we can put comments. Where did we purchase it? Anything special related to that? And finally we can upload documents and pictures like warranties, registrations, titles, any of those kind of things. If I really wanted to make this a permanent change, I would hit save right here. And this now would be a part of this process. Any of these items you see on here, we can also create in the same way that we did the vehicle itself to create all of the different types of equipment associated with the vehicle. Keep watching for other videos where I will demonstrate how to add users and how to handle pieces of equipment. Thank you.